reclaiming all of the land that the white man stole from our ancestors. Because if we got all the land back that is rightfully ours, we would probably own 25% of America. And that is no exaggeration. And the last point, when we talk about this, I have a problem with the fact that the reparations movement is segmented and fragmented. Why is there one reparations for the Caribbean islands, another reparations for Africa, another reparations for Europe, another reparations for the United States of America? Last time I checked, there was one slave trade. Last time I checked, we all came from the same place. So there should be one reparations movement for all African people in the world. This should be a pan-African movement. It should not be separated, it should not be fragmented, and it should not be reduced to us identifying with the enslavers. There's a movement right now called ADOS. I respect the brothers and sisters of the ADOS movement, but I got three very big problems with that movement. Number one, American descendants of slaves. Why are you so willing to call yourself a slave, but you don't want to call yourself an African? Number two, why are you telling African Americans to disidentify from their African brothers and sisters as if 3 million African immigrants, there's only 3 million African immigrants in the United States. Are you telling me that the African immigrant is my problem when they have taken nothing from me, but you don't say nothing about the homosexual movement that have stolen everything? You don't say nothing about the Mexican movement that has stolen everything. You don't say anything about the white female movement, the feminist agenda that has stolen everything. When you look at the black civil rights movement of the 1960s, who is most responsible for peeling back the gains of black people? Homosexuals, Latinos, white women, not African immigrants. Leave our brothers and sisters alone. United we stand, divided we fall. We are one family, and we will not tolerate anybody trying to break us apart. Black power.
Black power.
I know you were recently in Newark. What's your speaking schedule for brothers who want to come out and hear you and support you? So let us know where you'll be appearing and how we can support you on social media.
Absolutely.